Welcome to the Connected Services tutorial for registering in myRobot. In this tutorial we will show you how to read the registration code from the TPU and how to enter the code in myRobot and register. To find the registration code you need to go to the remote service pages. Under registration is where you will find the code to use when registering your controller in myRobot. This code is set up by your local business unit and the confirmation mail confirms that it is now ready to retrieve. Take this registration code and go to myRobot webpage. Go to a computer and start Internet Explorer. Type in www.yabb.com in the address field. Log in to myABB. Click on myRobot. Click on Registration. Enter the code you got from the TPU. And click Register. This might take up to 10 minutes. Go back to the TPU and confirm that the status has changed to Registered. If necessary, click Refresh.